Place of birth?
It's Vasai, Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. And why have you applied visa visas?
So I wanted to study health and social care management in Malta, and so I have applied for the visa.
Okay. And what's your last education?
I have done my HSC in 2007. After completing my HSC, I joined the NGO, Home for the Aged, and now presently I'm working as a teacher in school,
Okay. And what is HSC?
higher secondary education, that is 12th
Hi.
standard,
Okay, 12th standard. In which year did you complete that?
2007.
2007.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many year you working as an NGO?
So I have been working in the NGO from 2007 to 2011. That is 4 years.
2017 to 2011. Okay.
2007 to
Okay.
2011. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And what was your working from 2011 to 2021?
So I have been teaching the deprived students from the NGO only. I'm teaching the English and maths.
Okay, as a teacher.
Yeah, as a teacher, assistant
Okay.
teacher.
And what was your duties there?
So in the school, I've been teaching the students, I've been taking care of them, I've been taking exercise, physical activities, I've been making sure that my children understand what I'm teaching, making the subject topic more clear, more innovative, spending more times with the
Okay.
children.
Okay. Okay. So how many long you have working there?
So now it's been from 2011 to 21, so it is almost 11 years.
11 years. So now, why you want to study, continue to study again after a 11-year gap?
So, I always believe after the long years of hand-on experience, I believe that I am aiming to upskill myself to be an expert. And for that, I believe Malta will lay me the most benefiting platform by studying in Malta.
Okay. And what you know about Malta?
Well, the first thing that came up in my mind when I thought about Malta is all about its natural beauty, beautiful beaches, historic churches. Additionally, the English is an official language in Malta. The Malta's qualification is recognized by leading organizations around the world. It has an international reputation for excellence in all areas of education and training.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what would you do after completing this course?
So I will be traveling back to my country.
Okay.
And I believe after completing this course, I will get a good job and I can earn handsome salary.
But you are still working as a teacher, so why, which type of job you want to work after completing this course?
So I will be working as an home care attendant.
Home care attendant.
Yes.
Home care attendant, not other jobs.
So I've always wanted to be a person who will change people's life by giving them peace of mind, providing tender love, compassionate care, and I also wanted to be a healer and a source of strength to people. So I decided home care attendant is a perfect job for me.
Okay, and so this course is related to your previous background.
Yes, sir. Of course, this course is
How? How?
So from 2007, I completed my HSC, and after that, I started working in NGO, in which my duties were to take care of the people, feeding, dressing, showering the patients, administrating their medications, communicating with their families, and so on. And there, I decided that healthcare career is an excellent choice.
Okay, so how many course modules in your course?
So I have total six course modules.
Okay,
Modules.
which one is your favorite?
So from the from the six course modules, assistant in health and social care is my favorite. In
Can you
this,
explain it?
yes, in this I will be learning about patients' health questionnaire, measurement of their height, weight, nutrition assessments. I will be communicating with their relatives. I will be also learning about the feedbacks that I get from the individual staffs, visitors, and so on.
Okay, so what do you understand with the term of social care?
So social care means taking care of people, like means supporting them, giving them love, and also providing assistance with the activities of daily living.
Okay, so which travel company insurance have you submitted?
So I have submitted the travel insurance of this thing, um, travel protection, global travel assistance.
Uh,
It's
I
it's from
I
ICIC Lombard.
I think you are studying from pages.
No, ICIC Lombard.
No, I'm asking that I watching this answer from your papers. Have
No,
you read
sir.
it?
No, 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 no. I haven't read anything. ICIC Lombard, I had just written ICIC Lombard to know, to just assure whether this is the perfect insurance policy, you know.
Okay, and how much euro it's cover?
Sorry, can you
How
pardon?
much how much euro it's cover?
So 30,000 euros. It is actually in USD, 50,000 USD, but if
Okay,
you calculate, it comes to 30,000 euros.
okay, 30,000 euros
Yeah.
and 30,000 dollars.
50,000 USD. Yeah.
50,000. Okay, okay. So why will you go Malta? Why? Which airline will you use traveling Malta?
So now presently I had booked my airlines from Virgin Atlantic on 25th of November. But
Okay,
my visa got delayed. So I
okay.
had applied for an extension and now I have booked the present airlines I have booked Turkish Airlines from on 15th of January, which will,
And
yeah.
there is any stay between Malta to India to Malta?
So yes, from Turkish Airlines I will be having an halt in Istanbul where I had the halt of 6 hours and 35 minutes.
Can you tell me that what's your airline name?
Turkish Airlines.
Turkish airline. Okay. Who is going to sponsor your study now?
I have a strong support by my family, but I have enough savings in my bank balance that will easily cover the cost of my 2 years of education along with the accommodation and entertainment cost.
Okay, and what's your accommodation address?
Sir, it is EIE House, St. Joseph High Road, Hamrun, Malta.
Okay. Did you pay your tuition fees?
Yes, sir. I have paid the 1 year tuition fee. That is 7,500 euros.
Can you convert it in Indian rupees?
It's 3,56,000.
3 lakh.
56,000.
Okay. And how did you pay that fees?
Through bank transfer.
Bank transfer. How bank transfer means they are giving any you are paying Indian rupees or in euro
I converted into euros and I sent it through bank transfer.
or
They had,
directly bank
yeah,
transfer to
in
the
the
to
college
your
account, yeah, in the
in the college
university's
account.
account, yeah.
I think there's a 200 euro for which
Application
purpose
fee.
is
So that is the
okay,
application fees.
application fees.
So I have paid for 3 months accommodation
Okay.
fees well in advance. After that, once
Okay.
I start staying there, I will be paying it.
And how much you pay?
So it is 400 euros. That is for 3 months, it came up to 1200 euros.
1200 euros.
Yeah.
And you already paid that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. And did you use any agency for preparing your files?
No, sir. I did it on myself.
You did on yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me about your family background?
So I live in a nuclear family with me, my husband, and my
Okay.
child. My husband owns a construction business, and he's doing well in India. My child
Mhm.
is 7 years old, and he's in grade 1, studying in Isaac High School.
Okay. So you have a child in India. So you are going to abroad for
Yes,
study.
yes.
Uh, so how will you education in India? You are going to there and how?
So my child is very independent. Apart from them, that we have a maid, full-time maid in our house who is taking care of my child during my working hours. Also, the maid used to take care of my child, and I have spoken to her, and she's ready to take care of him, take him to school, and everything.
Okay. So wait a minute. Who told you about Malta?
So through research, and I came to know about Malta. And secondly, it is the safest country in the world. So I decided about Malta.
How did you contact with EI Institute?
So through online, I got the phone number of the college office staff, and then there was a staff, Mrs. Mary. She helped me through my application and the fees and the payment.
Okay, and they take your interview or not?
Yes, of course, they had an interview, this Skype interview with me.
Okay, and what they ask in interviews?
So they asked me about my duties as a healthcare worker. So they asked me about how will I handle the situation in, they gave me a, like, they gave me one term that if there is some emergency, how will you handle it? And I
Oh,
answered them.
okay, 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 okay.